What's up? Welcome to Nikolai's snack video today. And today, we got a special snack for you today. And today, this snack is going to be a real doozy. So you better get ready because it's hot. Talkies time. So you see here, I love talkies because I love the hotness of the fire. It's time to taste the first talkie. That first talkie, extreme! And that's the snack. Talkies. If you all want talkies, you better get them right now. Before they don't have any more. By the way, that was the Nikolai snack video. And this video's gonna be awesome! Like this video if you want talkies, and subscribe to join the Cool Bros crew, and ring that bell if you want to see me in real life. Anyway, that's all for today. Just wanted to let you know. Now, you're awesome. So all you kids better watch this video right now before the talkies go out of sale. If you want talkies, you better subscribe to this video and like. And ring that bell to join our crew. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. My Minka says bye. Bye.